Sorkin wrote the play. It was based on a Broadway play, and there were certain elements in the movie that didn't exist in the Broadway play that we added. I mean, the whole idea of the airman was added. The whole idea of his bags not being packed. When Kaffee has this revelatory moment where he thinks back when he investigated down in Cuba, and he said, wait a minute, I noticed his suit, his clothing was all lined up, nothing was packed. That was all added into the movie. That wasn't in the play. And interesting love, it's a great play, it's a brilliant play, and it's a brilliant screenplay. But Aaron Sorkin, after he worked on the screenplay with us, went back and rewrote his play for the National Touring Company. Something that's, I think, unheard of. I don't think it's ever been done. But we basically plugged up a bunch of holes. Another hole was on Markinson. If you remember, Markinson reveals that there were logbooks that would say when flights left Guantanamo and entered Andrews Air Force. And he indicated that Jessup had doctored the logs, had taken away any flights that might have gone into Andrews. Well, that wasn't in the play either. I mean, we had basically, if you remember, Markinson kills himself. And Markinson leaves a little cryptic note in the play to say, look at the logbooks. Well, if Markinson's going to go kill himself, he might as well tell the truth to Kaffee before he kills himself to let Kaffee know what the truth was. That wasn't in the play, and we added that into the movie as well. So that was a big linchpin where all of a sudden Markinson says, go check the logbooks. Kaffee checks the logbooks. He sees, wait a minute, you said there was a flight going into Andrews. There's no flight here. Markinson says, you know, somebody who's going to rise to the level that Jessup's level has the ability to doctor logbooks, which is in fact what he did do.